Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy your own mustard seed necklace. Now, let's dive into the story behind this unique piece of jewelry. Imagine wearing a piece of history around your neck, a symbol of faith and hope that has been cherished for centuries. That's exactly what you get with a mustard seed necklace. This tiny seed, encapsulated in a beautiful pendant, is more than just a piece of jewelry. It's a statement, a conversation starter, and a timeless keepsake. The mustard seed necklace has a tale as unique as its design. This necklace is deeply rooted in ancient times, and its story is steeped in biblical references. The mustard seed, mentioned numerous times in the Bible, symbolizes faith. It is said that faith, even as small as a mustard seed, can move mountains. This powerful message resonates with many, making the mustard seed necklace a cherished accessory and a meaningful gift. Handcrafted with love and attention to detail, each mustard seed necklace is as unique as the person wearing it. The seed itself is encased in an 18 inches silver or gold-plated copper chain, with the option to customize the length up to 24. The bezels are made of stainless steel, adding a touch of modern elegance to this historic symbol. But the mustard seed necklace isn't just a testament to one's faith. It's also a testament to the skill and creativity of its creators. Each necklace is handmade to order, ensuring that every piece is unique. This also means that the necklace you receive may have slight variations from the pictured product, adding to its charm and individuality. The mustard seed necklace is gaining popularity for its symbolic significance, its unique design, and its handcrafted quality. But beyond that, it's a way to carry a piece of history and a symbol of faith wherever you go. To recap, the mustard seed necklace is more than just an accessory. It's a symbol of faith, a piece of history, and a testament to the craftsmanship of its creators. With its unique design and deep significance, it's no wonder that this necklace is gaining popularity among a wide range of people. Whether you're looking for a meaningful gift or a unique addition to your jewelry collection, the mustard seed necklace is a beautiful and symbolic choice.